Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's our topic is how we can protect our WhatsApp from hackers. To do this, let's go to the open your WhatsApp, then click on the three dots. Now go to the link devices. If first check link devices regularly. If you haven't linked any device with your WhatsApp, then unlink it immediately. And the second tip, try to protect link devices by when someone try to link his device or try to clone your WhatsApp, then it must be fingerprint protected or pin protected. Like I have look at, I'm trying to link a device. So click on a device. So here you go. It will ask from pin password or my fingerprint. This is the tip number one. Now go to the tip number two. Go to settings, go to account, and go to security notification, and here it go, click on it. It must be on, because if you have multiple devices, this setting must be enabled in each device where you want to get notified. Now go to tip number 3. Go to the settings. Look, I have already, but I will show you. Go to the settings and go to account and go to the two-step verification. This two-step verification put extra security on your WhatsApp. So just I'm trying to turn it on. Click on the turn on, and it will ask you for a 6 digit. Let's say I'm doing, confirm it and save it. So now the first step is completed. And now for to complete the two-step verification, you need to add an email address, or you can try to keep it skip. But I will advise to add an email address, and for by doing this, your WhatsApp hacking will be almost impossible. So go to step number 3 and go to settings and then go to privacy. Go to settings, then click on privacy. Here it go, click on the app lock. For doing this, when it enabled, if someone enters into your phone, let's say a hacker entered in your phone, and when he tried to enter your WhatsApp, he won't be, because WhatsApp will ask for authentication or your pin or fingerprint. So this will create another layer of security. So I'm going to open it. For this, again it asks for fingerprint, and I'm now it's be open. Now move to tip number 5, protect IP. Okay, go to settings. Now go to privacy. Then go to advanced and uncheck all these things. Protect IP, disable links preview. To protect IP address, it make it harder for anyone to infer in your location. or locate your location, but this will reduce your call quality because of extra layer implemented by the WhatsApp. So hopefully this video will help you. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Thank you.